What up, though? It's your girl TeeDaWarrior, and I'm back with another video. Can y'all guess what we doing today? This is that viral TikTok challenge, y'all. Food trend. It's the Nature's cereal. Honey, without further ado, let's get into it. Let's see what it's all about. Because it's supposed to give you this good energy, supposed to give you this boost, make you feel good throughout the day, really healthy, and it's supposed to taste real good. So let's see if it's true. Let's see if there's any truth to this thing. All right. First thing first, we got the blueberries, plum seeds, blackberries, and of course, strawberries. All right, y'all. So I've already washed some in my bowl here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get it on up in here and see how we liking this thing. Okay. All right. So let me cut my little strawberries heads off. See, I'm gonna have to try to make these somewhat bite-sized. I don't know how many strawberries I'm gonna do. Guys, I'm excited to taste this. I'm ready to try it. I'm ready to see if that energy works like it's raved to be. All right, so I got some strawberries. Here's some blackberries. And blueberries. Yes, blueberries. All right. And the only thing I'm missing now are the plums. So let's see what's up with these pomegranates. You can smell these. Nice and fresh. Get on up in there. We'll do 2 spoonfuls. I don't want to do too many. Guys, I had to hunt these pomegranate seeds down. Took me 3 days. 3 days to find pomegranate seeds. I went to every store. Finally, I found them at Whole Foods. All right, let's get this coconut water. Coconut water up in there. Guys, I don't know why, but I'm just like... I'm okay. Let's try it out. Let's get it out. Give it a good little mix. Y'all want to see it? Can y'all see it? I ain't trying to pour out the coconut water. Yes. I hope that was a good shot. All right. Oh, that coconut water smells good. Okay, everything's covered in it now, so let's go ahead and go in with the first spoonful. Without further ado. I got a piece of everything. I ain't got no blackberry. It's all good. I'm a little bit surprised by how good it tastes. Let me try another spoonful. Let's get one with the blackberry on it this time. Okay. And this might become my cereal for real. I always love how the coconut water has a nutty flavor. To me, it tastes nutty, the coconut water. So it's perfect with fruit because it feels like maybe you had some nuts on it too. I'm feeling it, y'all. It's a yes from me. It is a yes, honey. I got one with everything this time. You know what? Let me let y'all see that bite. It's the perfect bite. Let's get a little bit more coconut water in there. I'm not even gonna lie. I thought it was gonna be like overly hyped. It's pretty daggone good. I'm surprised the coconut water sets it off too. Okay. This is good, y'all. Maybe because I just love fresh fruit anyway. Mainly berries. This will go with keto too. I don't know about the pomegranate seeds. I'm gonna have to check them out. For all of the berries and this coconut water, yes, this coconut water has 7 carbs per serving, and a serving is 8 ounces. Honey, I probably pour about 2 ounces in here, so this is perfect. It has 7 carbs and 7 sugars. The sugar is a bit high for me, but if I'm only gonna have a small bit like this, it won't make that big of a difference at all. So yes, baby, yes. Come through, nature's cereal. I'm really shocked. I mean, of course, I know I like each of these individually, including the coconut water. But I just didn't think to make this concoction like, this is what's up. This is definitely something I'm gonna keep on the books. Now that's cereal. Why didn't I know about this cereal when I was little? I already knew I liked all of these fruit, but together they're even better. Yes. I'm feeling it, y'all. I know y'all like, you already said it 1,000 times. I'm just saying, with every bite, I'm like, yes. This is good. Probably won't be no burping in this video, y'all, for those who like the burps. I'm sorry. I'm gonna see if I can conjure a burp up for y'all. Pomegranate seeds, bomb. They're even better when you don't have to source them yourself. When somebody did all the work for you. Thanks, Whole Foods. Even though I had to call and make sure that they reserved one for me, since clearly they only get like 16 at a time. What? This is so good. You can eat this as a snack. You can eat it for breakfast. You can eat it when you got the munchies. I mean, you can basically just eat this anytime, honey. It is so good. That coconut water is on point. Let me eat it all. Let me eat it all. Get all them palm seeds. The ones that I drove to every grocery store in town to find for 3 days. I was about to give up. I ain't gonna lie, I was about to give up on the palm seeds. Hold on. So this will not be cereal, honey, unless you drink the milk, okay? So let's drink the last little corner of the milk. can tell y'all how good this coconut water is. It's the bomb. And I love it. But anyway, y'all, if you was wondering if the hype for the nature cereal was all of that, honey, it's all that, okay? It's all that in the bag of chips, all right? I truly enjoy this, y'all. And if you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it, please make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, girl. Share it with all your friends. Share it with all your family. Share it in your group chat. Share it any and everywhere, baby. Let it be known this nature cereal is on point. Love it, like y'all. Peace.